Drop to
Oh, there's a gift box here.
where?
I got it, I got it.
You.
Yeah.
I'm out, man.
Wow.
Watch.
Joy, just jump. Meow. Bye bye. Oh shit, he's not there.
Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye.
This keep taking the biggest fucking piece of hardware. What the?
Oh, they landed! They entered world! They're literally running. They're coming. Oh,
There's two
green is
green in
there.
front of me.
Green.
Run.
They're run! Oh shit.
Bully
Hey,
Juvan.
hey, hey, hey. Yeah, hey. Hey, bro, I'll call the police on you. Remember Minecraft? Watch out. Hey, don't do anything.
I think Hisham at AFK. Juvan is still typing. Okay, Hisham's here.
Any girls? Any girls? Hello? Hello? Wait. Wait, fucking wait. I got them.
Okay, Jiri.
This is probably not.
Quick tip. Press the
Don't die.
bell. Like a lot of times. It'll give you like free money.
Oh, I like money. Is it bell?
It's there, it's there.
How do you win in this game?
Hello.
Cypher.
No,
If
British.
you have a request, oh my.
Yo, watch this one tap.
How do you?
Alright, let's go.
How do I scroll?
I think R.
Hold R.
I changed mine.
R.
Mute this guy. Mute this guy.
You go check your phone real quick, bro. Bro, do you have your phone off? Why does it not ring?
Who's calling?
Where's your
me?
phone? Bro, where's your
No
phone
one's
at, bro? Oh, you have Insta notifications off.
Oh, bro, why are you calling me? What the fuck?
Oh, nice.
Bitch ass, fucking retard. Anyways.
Go.
I have retrieved the spike.
Mama, look at me straight in the face.
Alright,
Yo,
nothing
Adal.
from
Adal.
No.
Monkey.
Raphael. Okay, no, Undying God. You there.
Alright, let's continue reading.
Fingers. Give me some time. I'll see if
Alright,
Okay,
so
demon girl. So S.
C. What are you watching?
I'm better than you. Come here, you.
Is there a quick emote for quick thing for emote?
B?
I see.
No, it's not C, it's B. You missed Logan. Oh shit.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Reyna left.
No.
Nice.
Attackers win.
ما قصرت والله.
That I will fuck your mom, bitch.
Oh my god.
He cannot fucking comprehend the semen world that he's been thrown into, and that's where he dies. He just suffocates in my this thing. Erection. Yeah.
It was a bad idea asking
And
you.
when he wakes up, no, I'm not done. Listen, when he wakes up from this trance hallucination world, okay, he's not only leaking that white substance from his eyes, but his mouth, his every pore, everywhere that has like pores, and even his asshole. Anywhere you can think of is fucking leaking jizz. Okay, to a point it staggers him with slow damage, politeness, okay, confusion, slowness, and poison. Yeah,
Deafness,
that's my domain.
blind, disabled, autistic.
Yeah, my semen is so heavy, it basically throws them into the ground.
Wow, it landed in.
Plooge. Plug.
Splurge. Try splurge.
Nice.
That's like 6 letters.
Spark. Try spark.
Bro,
But splurge is
AR
like when
is. You can't do AR.
Splurge is like when you come. You know when you come, you kind of like splurge. That's what they call it.
I agree. Try testicle deformacy.
What the fuck?
TRPLG joined.
Valorant. Was it flip?
Split, bro. Split.
Hello!
Oh,
Watch me burn banking!
oh my god. Oh my god. She's burning it. No. Wow, that was awesome. No, it's not Ben. I
What the fuck? No, I think it's Karki. What the fuck? What the hell? Oh my god!
Come on, burn!
Try increasing the flame.
Yeah, increase the flame.
Increase the flame.
There's
This
like
is a little thing.
Yeah.
Little thing, yeah, in the middle. Yeah. Do that.
Move it to the right, I think.
Bismillah.
Woo!
Oh, there you go.
Oh, my aim is so bad.
Eh, shut the fuck up, man. You stupid.
Hey, man, you got 2
Yeah,
kills before
reflex.
me, man. Shut up.
Ah, my crosshair is still shit.
I need to be prepared with the photo. What is happening to my lighter?
I think you pressed it down too much. But
No, we'll get Adnan on Valorant and then he will experience the true pain of.
he'll experience Zoro.
What the fuck is wrong with you now?
I'm telling you, Adil is a gay.
What?
Yeah, Adil, you're gay.
Yeah, Adil, you're gay.
What the hell? Wasabi, don't say it. Okay, good.
Azaz a good friend.
Yay!
Yeah.
This guy is so good. That's wild. How much parkour? You're gonna mess up somehow.
Achoo!
Wasabi, can you TP me to them? Yay. Oh! What the fuck?
Okay.
Help. I think does it eat me? Oh, it's not eating me.
TRPLG moved to general.
You can't get me. You can't get me.
Zoro 5 moved to general.
How the hell did he just love tap me on the kick, bro? I died? Oh my god. No!
How are you so delayed?
Alright. New liner acquired.
Jesus.
Wow,
Hello?
lag goes bad. Yeah, hello.
Oh my god, got turbocharger. God bless.
Can you tell Jiren to blow into the microphone?
Battery here.
Jiren?
Yeah.
Adil Pharaoh said to blow into your
Don't go thinking I owe you anything.
Yes! I'm alt F4ing. Good night, guys. Bye.
Come on.
Like,
Wait.
if you feel like you can score more, you can do it again in March. Bro, that's actually broken, man.
Exactly, bro.
My Apex is not working. This is so sad, yeah.
Please touch me, Adil.
What the fuck?
He made it to Sean.
No, I'm here.
Sean.
Let's go. Oh, don't go there, don't go there. Go back, Queens.
Go there, man. It's okay.
It's all because of Adil. I'm not even trolling right now. It's all because of Adil.
Yeah, fuck you, Adar.
Bro, why does Adil sound like a fucking generator powering up?
Yo, I knew it. He's a fucking stalking pervert.
No, he's a pedo.
Look at that. Stalking pervert. He wants him to drive his dick inside him.
I'm gonna get platinum, hopefully.
Okay, I'm ready up. I'm gonna go washroom.
Yeah, I'm a master.
Take your whole PC to watch.
Well, to be honest, I actually enjoyed this game. You guys enjoying this game?
Yeah, I like. Well. Yeah, I like this game.
I knew it.
Yeah, get horny. Jawar, Q.
Oh, yeah, man.
Did you guys know Adar somewhat looks like me?
So confused.
Fahad, where in the fuck do you look like Adil?
I don't know.
Your brain is actually running on one battery, bro. What the hell? Did you eat today?
You know who Fahad actually looks like?
Who?
What?
Me.
Who's a man?
Bro, he's still.
Bro, shit! Brother! Bro, he's gonna get a heart attack, bro. Fuck. Bro, chill!
Bro, I'm laughing so just laugh, man. What the fuck?
Shut up!
If you guys have the chance to be my chance, would you be my chance? Chill! Bro, fuck, I'm gonna kill this guy. I'm gonna kill this guy.
What the fuck?
Okay, where is that?
What are we playing?
Bro!
Yes, asthma.
Bro, are you sucking the mic?
It's fucking... Bro, he's giving a fucking...
He's
organic...
giving a blowjob to the fucking mic, man.
Bro, he's fucking... Bro, I think he's coming, bro.
Cutting through.
Spike planted.
Fake teleport. Deep.